We're right downtown right at the moment. 276 south, headed out of town. But literally going through the dead center of town right at the moment. But that's alright. Brevard does have a pretty fantastic little downtown area if you've never come walked around, shopped and all that stuff. Lots of stiff. Alright, so let's get out of town and get this ride started. Just out of town and already found a really good sign. Truckers, 8% grade, 15 mile an hour curve, next 22 miles. I love that shit. It's awesome. Alright, we just got past all of the pottery places and all that. Now we're getting somewhere. It's starting to look pretty mountainy now, but we're off and running today, baby. Brakes are good and the tires are fair. There is construction. Destruction of the construction. You really just waited on me to stop. Alright. You are now free to kick ass up this mountain. Yeah. That's more like it. Little blue sign says camping. That's usually a good sign that you're on a good road. And we're hitting the South Carolina line. More warning signs about steep grades and all that good stuff. We're going to get to the bottom of this here mountain. Fun fact, I've never got to ride this road when it was dry. Every time I've been this way, the road's been at least wet. The last time I did this road, it rained miserably. The whole way back across. So, Mountain Bridge Wilderness area. Such a flowy, smooth road. Just awesome. I think I know this curve. I think you do want to slow down a bit for it. Oh, no. They lied. Wasn't the one I was thinking about. And wet pavement. Oh, glorious road. Alright, so the sign just said that Caesar's Head State Park is here. I think I went there once. I didn't think it was all that big a deal. There's also the peak of the mountain, so we're going to start going down now. So now we're going down the mountain. First thing we run into is a 25 mile an hour curve, which is always fun. Get some of that. A little bit of that. Oh, a lot of brake. A lot of trash in the road right there. Not trash, but like leaves and stuff. That stuff can be very slick when it's wet. Like South Carolina just decided, how fast can we get down the mountain? Well, if we just go pretty much straight down it, that'll do it. So that's what they did. Big old switchback. Look, it's all roughed up too. Followed by another big old switchback. That's also roughed up. Side over there is paved. It's a very cool ride, but it is rough. Pavement's pretty roughed up. About due to be paved there, South Carolina. And that is steep and twisty right there. Alright, so is this a great road? It's a good road. It's not a great road. I'll tell you why, because I judge great roads on curvy, elevation change, lack of residential turnoffs and things. Basically comparing them to Tail of the Dragon to see how they shape up to that, because that is a great road. So this road is curvy. There's lots of elevation change. It's a lot of fun to ride, but the pavement is all beat up. I know you can see right here. It's just, typical South Carolina road maintenance. It's all to pieces. You know, you'll get in these curves and then you hit a bunch of bumps and that upsets everything. I don't like that. The last couple of miles there hasn't been a lot of residential stuff, but before that it was constant, you know, tons of residential stuff. And as soon as we get down the mountain, we run back into that again. So this mountain is good, not great. Definitely worth coming to ride because it is fun. But 276 South coming out of Brevard, like you're going to go to Traveler's Rest, South Carolina. Big old horseshoey kind of curve here. If this road was paved, though, oh man, it would just be awesome. If only there was a road that was a lot like this that was paved, or, you know, freshly paved and smooth. Wait a minute, I might know where one is. We might be going there today. Straight away. Give me some of that, some of that. For that. Let's slow it back down. More curves ahead. Alright. So there's this one cool thing that's worth stopping to see. I don't remember what it's called though. I just remember, is this it? Yeah, this is it.
So I actually don't know what this place is called. I looked for a sign, I didn't find one. To figure out what it's called, I looked at it on the map on the phone. Bald Rock Heritage Preserve is what it's called. Pretty cool little spot. Definitely worth stopping at. Especially after you're riding on that mountain. That mountain kicks ass.